Right now, something inside your kitchen appliances is spinning up to 15,000 revolutions per minute. Those are the deep groove ball bearings from CW Bearing. Designed to handle high radial and axial loads, our bearings operate reliably under harsh conditions: moisture, detergents, temperature swings up to 120 degrees Celsius or more. In your blender, these Precision 52-100 steel bearings maintain tight tolerances of ABEC 5 or better, minimizing vibration and noise even at extreme speeds. Your washing machine's spin cycle puts bearings through intense radial loads and thousands of cycles, but our engineered lubrication and corrosion-resistant seals keep performance smooth and maintenance low. If these components failed, appliance function and lifespan would suffer drastically. For over 40 years, CW Bearing has specialized in delivering miniature and instrument bearings that meet rigorous quality standards like ISO 9001 and TS 16949, so you can trust these invisible heroes to keep your kitchen running. The next time you're making breakfast, remember, precision engineering at the micro scale is powering your day.